Alright, I'm going to talk about how to spot satellites flying over, in particular the International Space Station. So here's one site you can check. This is spaceweather.com. So over on the right, you scroll down, there's a place here that says satellite flybys. Click on that. And then you can just enter in your zip code down here, and it'll tell you about what satellites will be coming over your area based on your zip code. So there you go, by day. And this site also has an app for your iPhone or Android. And let's see, there it is there, flybys, right next to my Google Sky. Okay, so that one's pretty easy. Now here's another one. This one is heavensabove.com. Don't forget the dash. It's heavens-above.com. And on this one here, you can actually set up, I'm going to click on the registered user log on because I have actually saved my sites. You can save several different sites. I have, my site here in Hawaii. I also have some sites like at my brother's house in Texas. Depending on where I am, everything's already saved there for me. So it has all different satellites on here. There's the International Space Station, the Hubble Space Telescope. Here's a list of all the satellites, that are brighter than 3.5 magnitude. And then it has several other things on there. So we're going to click on ISS for International Space Station. Now here it's telling me that there are no visible passes in the next 10 days. So I'm going to go on to over here to the next 10 days. And then here we go. It gives me a list. And here's the magnitude. Now remember, with magnitudes, the smaller the number, the brighter it is. So the brightest one here is a -2.5, which is very bright. So I'm going to click on that one here. I'm going to click on the date. And that takes me to a map page. This actually shows you a map of the sky, and then here it shows you where it's going to pass over. So it shows you the stars. So something I like about this one, it's got other maps here and a lot of other things that tell you. But the thing that I like is if you're not familiar with the sky, you're familiar with your location, right? So you go up here and you click on the ground track. And then that will show you a map of your area and where it's going to go over. So I'm here, so it shows here that it's going to pass over this way. So this is very easy to tell that, okay, well if I look to the north, it's going to come from the north and it's going to be going towards the east. So that's very simple, very easy, how to spot the International Space Station or other satellites.